I've decided what the best and worst thing about dating girls is. Sharing bathrooms. Because when you first go on a date with somebody and you have to go poop next to each other in stalls, oh my god. But once you've been dating someone for a while, you can go make out in the stall. It's a pretty good life.
What the fuck are you doing? She's trying to fuck me!
So I push them away. I'm acting so strange. They're so pretty, it hurts. I'm not talking about boys, I'm talking.
Having my younger cousin named Mamamoo members. Her left titty is too distracting to find a name.
Ingrid.
Ingrid?
Ingrid.
Aww.
Jennifer, but like I really want to touch her abs because like she like the rib cage is just immaculate. I'll say it's like Aaliyah, but I feel like she'd be at the type in a bar to be like, oh my god, you don't need him. You don't.
This speech is my recital. I think it's very vital to rock around. That's right, on time. It's tricky. It's the fight. Here we go. It's tricky to rock around. To rock around. That's right, on time. It's tricky. It's tricky. 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 It's tricky to rock around. To rock around. That's right, on time. It's tricky. 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 I met this little.
With you, so I'm trying to meet your mama on Sunday. The nigga I love on a Monday.
Guys, check out my new dress. It is reflective.
Why are you talking in a French accent?
It's none of your fucking business.
So pretty, it hurts. I'm not talking about boys, I'm talking about girls. They're so pretty with their button-up shirts.
She like me. Molly rocks in my green tea.
Pussy boy, get out my way. I'll run up that jet before I run any phase.
Eyes blue like the Atlantic, and I'm going down like the Titanic.
It's only because you're feeling alive. At first, when I see you cry, it makes me smile. Yeah, it makes me smile.
No! No! No!
And yeah, maybe that's true, 'cause I can't stop thinking about you. This speech is my recital. I think it's very vital to rock around. That's right, on time. It's tricky. It's the fight. Here we go. It's tricky to rock around. To rock around. That's right, on time. It's tricky.
Wait, oh my gosh, this girl is like so pretty.
Yeah, so
This girl on TikTok, she's like really
She's like hot.
What if you had it all, but nobody to call? Maybe then you'd know me. 'Cause I've
I know. Hey, it's Haley. Hey, Haley. That would be a lot of fun. I don't think we can come though. Yeah, we already have plans. We were supposed to, well, we had plans to play Xbox tonight, so. Yeah. Yeah. But we'll see you guys tomorrow though. Alright, we love you. Okay, bye. What's up? I'm excited.
I pull you in to feel your heartbeat. Can you hear me screaming, please don't leave me? Hold on, I still want. This is my part, nobody else speak. This is my part, nobody else speak. This little light of mine, glory be to God, yeah.
I'm bringing booty back. Go ahead and tell them skinny bitches that. No, I'm just playing.
Two friends sitting in a tree.
Yep.
They might kiss.
No.
They might.
No, they won't.
Why did you have to say that?
You're making this really awkward right now.
I told my mom about you.
Your mom?
Yeah, I told.
I like you, won't give a fuck about your boyfriend. Come on, let's link, can't do what I do. I can beat it up with no hands.
One of the girls that didn't have boyfriends back in high school and would use the excuse, I'm just focusing on school, I'm too mature, I'm waiting on the right one. You're now gay.